Customers are the backbone of any business. If you want to get more customers, we've got to seduce you all. You have to progress. If you want to attract bigger people in your life, then you got to become the bigger person. You got to become better at your skill sets. You have to immerse yourself in personal development. You have to find yourself a mentor, and you have to find 1 or 2 people who have the results that you want. Here's an offer to my exact methods. If you take action on this right now and click the link on my bio, you'll get 100% commissions on unlimited income streams for life. Here's what that means. Anytime you make a commission, you are not only locked for 6 other commissions, but unlimited commissions forever and ever and ever. Discover a guaranteed way to start making money in the next 24 hours. Even if you have 0 experience and have never made a cent before online, check out the link in my bio. Welcome.